Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino. Really quick crypto update because it's done nothing but with the extended consolidation, going to drag those levels down. At this point, the key resistance we're watching for a close above is the 21 and about the 63.85 level, or you can always round up for 6,400, nice round level. Rally through there. The little cluster at 64.50, but then your next major resistance area is 65.70 to 66.10. Let's check in on the daily chart. So to the downside, 66.50, got the declining 8 coming in with that. So really pay attention to this area right near 66.50 to 64.50 to 6,500. That's the key resistance on the daily. If it does not budge, keep watching as the 8 comes down, because we could get 8 pushing the price as it runs down. Update levels to the downside, 59.55. Then we'd be watching for a 58.58 return to the low, and then the next minor level is 57.89. Now these are levels we're watching for a reversal pattern. If we do get a stronger rally at this point, the upper in the rotation zone is about 66.87. So that's what you'll be watching for on a stronger rally. We don't have a bottoming pattern yet. We sort of have a sloppy triangle formation down here. So again, if you get a close above that 63.85 to 6,400 area, it will probably trigger the next run up to the higher levels I just talked about. Checking in on Ethereum. Ethereum also pretty much has gone nowhere. Came back down here. Now this made a very sloppy double. A very sloppy double. I'm just going to map this out, and it's even sloppy because of this extended area in here. At least the first target's right above this extended area. It would need a close or a move above and then a pullback and a rotation back up from the 208.37 level, which would then take it above the rotation zone. So that's something to watch for. The levels then would be about we're just going to call this 220, 224.50, and then a cluster at 229.21 to 229.84, which is also this next flat area, and where the 50 is, but the 50 is going to keep declining. Those are the levels. If that does trigger, it's a little short or a long trade, but not a long duration probably, because it'll probably run up there pretty quick. Nothing changes on the downside levels. Just pointing that out. Also keep in mind, here's the let me zoom in on here. Here's the 8. The 8's really going to come in with this first level if this keeps pausing. I also have a nice inside bar on the daily, which is, again, a consolidation phase. So really watch as it breaks out of this range. It will probably do it pretty rapidly and run to these levels either upside or downside pretty quickly. Now, we're still against the rotation zone, but I wanted to point out that pattern on the upside because you might be able to take advantage if we do get that close above there to take something off at these higher levels, or at least move up your stops. I would be super aggressive with moving up stops, especially at the key levels where we run into clusters. That's really all we have for you on Ethereum and Bitcoin, because it's just waiting to break out one way or the other, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.